Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you're watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing about the 6B question. And before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in PDF and handwritten assignments. So if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 And we have a question, which is question 6B. A bimetallic strip is a strip where having two layers of the two different metals one over the other. It depends on heating as shown in the figure given below. You may also design one at home and observe it bending on heating. And by using the values of coefficient of linear expansion given in the table, answer the questions that follows it. So we have a table and now some questions are: suppose a bimetallic strip made of brass and iron is taken. The initial length of both the brass and the iron strip was equal to 10 centimeter at room temperature. Calculate the difference between the length of the brass and the iron strip when the temperature of bimetallic strip becomes 75 degrees Celsius after heating. Second, and if the following diagrams represents different bimetallic strips with their initial length, draw the diagram of these bimetallic strips in your response sheet when these are heated to the sufficiently high temperature. And third one is home appliances like electric iron, geyser, etc. get automatically switched off after some time when their temperature increases beyond a specific value. This is possible because of a special device that makes use of a bimetallic strip, which is fitted inside these appliances. Name the device, explain its construction, and working with the help of simple schematic diagram. So if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is provided on your screen. So you can contact anytime, which is 900 936 8238. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. We will meet you soon in the next video.